Hi guys, today we talk about Vivo T3. It's launched on April 2024. The dimensions of Vivo T3: height 6.4 inch, width 2.98 inch, thickness 8 mm, the weight is 188 gram, and the build front glass, eco leather back and plastic frame. The display of Vivo T3 5G. It comes with AMOLED display with 16 color. The screen size is 6.67 inch with 86.8% screen to body ratio. The resolution is 1080p with 395 ppi density and the refresh rate is 1 to 1 Hz with 1800 nits peak of brightness. The screen protection is calling Gorilla Glass. Let's talk about the platform of Vivo T3. It comes with Android 14 operating system. The chipset is MediaTek Dimensity 7200 4nm and the CPU is octa-core Cortex A715. The GPU is Mali G610 and the memory of Vivo T3 5G. It comes with 8 GB of RAM, 128 to 56 GB of ROM, and it supports micro SD card. Let's talk about the camera of Vivo T3 5G. It comes with dual camera setup with 50 megapixel wide angle and 2 megapixel depth sensor, and it records 4K 30 fps video. The front selfie camera is 16 megapixel and it records 1080p 60 fps video. Let's go to the battery setup. It comes with 5000 mAh battery with 80 watt fast wire charging. It cannot support wireless charging and it supports 5 watt reverse wire charging. The common and the feature, it says Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, stereo speaker, USB Type-C, fingerprint under display, UFS 3.1 and IP54 dust and water resistant. The price of Vivo T3 is $350.